Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're diving into the niche of car audio with a focus on car horn tweeter speakers. These high-frequency speakers are essential for delivering sharp, clear highs that complement your car's sound system, enhancing the overall audio experience. With a variety of options available, finding the best car horn tweeter speakers can be challenging. Whether you're an audiophile looking to perfect your sound system, a daily commuter wanting better clarity, or just someone who loves great audio, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be unveiling the top 6 best car horn tweeter speakers that offer exceptional clarity, performance, and value. Our criteria include sound quality, build quality, ease of installation, compatibility, and affordability. Links to all the featured car horn tweeter speakers are conveniently provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's take your car audio to the next level with these top picks. Number 6. Black Diamond Dia-KD2. The Black Diamond Dia-KD2 horn tweeter speaker is a high-performance audio component designed for delivering clear and powerful sound. With a robust power handling capability, this tweeter boasts an AES power handling of 160 watts, program power handling of 320 watts, and peak power handling of up to 640 watts, ensuring it can handle demanding audio applications. The tweeter features a 2-inch titanium compression driver with an aluminum horn, which provides excellent durability and sound clarity. Its frequency response range from 630 Hz to 20 kHz, allows for a wide range of high-frequency reproduction. The nominal impedance is 8 ohms, and the sensitivity with the horn is an impressive 106 decibels, making it efficient and loud. The tweeter's motor includes a 2-inch voice coil made of Captain and CCAW winding material with a ferrite magnet weighing 34 ounces. The aluminum horn has a nominal diameter of 6.5 inches, a throat diameter of 2 inches, and provides a 100-degree circular sound coverage. With overall dimensions of 6.18 inches by 6.85 inches and a depth of 7.48 inches, this tweeter is built to deliver exceptional audio performance in various settings. The Black Diamond Dia-KD2 combines high power handling, excellent sensitivity, and durable materials, making it a top choice for high-quality sound reproduction. Number 5. Audiopipe APHC-6278. The Audiopipe APHC-6278 horn tweeter is a high-performance audio component designed to deliver powerful and clear sound. With a peak power handling of 400 watts and a continuous power handling of 200 watts. This tweeter is built to handle high levels of audio output. It features a frequency response range from 1 kHz to 20 kHz, ensuring that it reproduces a wide range of high-frequency sounds with clarity. The sensitivity of 110 decibels allows it to produce loud and crisp audio even with minimal power. The tweeter is equipped with a titanium diaphragm and a 2-inch Captain voice coil, which contribute to its durability and sound quality. The 134mm by 17mm ferrite magnet and 33-ounce magnet ensure strong magnetic flux for efficient sound reproduction. The high-frequency aluminum horn and 2-inch exit throat size enhance sound dispersion and precision. The overall dimensions of the tweeter are 6.2 inches in height, 6.2 inches in width, and 7.8 inches in depth, making it a robust and reliable choice for enhancing audio systems. Whether you're upgrading your car audio or a home theater setup, the Audiopipe APHC-6278 horn tweeter offers high-quality sound performance and durability. Number 4. DS18 Pro DKH1. The DS18 Pro DKH1 horn tweeter speaker is designed for car audio enthusiasts who seek exceptional sound quality and performance. This speaker features a 2-inch compression driver combined with a high-quality horn to deliver clear, powerful audio. With a peak power handling capability of 640 watts and an RMS power of 320 watts, it ensures high output levels without distortion. The titanium diaphragm and 2.03-inch voice coil contribute to its durability and ability to handle intense audio signals. The speaker boasts a sensitivity of 115 decibels and a frequency response range from 500 Hz to 18.5 kHz, providing an extremely loud and detailed sound experience. Its ferrite magnet and aluminum horn construction enhance both sound clarity and durability. The DS18 Pro DKH1 is designed for easy installation with a mounting depth of 7.18 inches, fitting seamlessly into various car audio setups. Whether you're upgrading your vehicle's sound system or building a high-performance audio setup, the DS18 Pro DKH1 offers impressive sound quality and reliable performance. Number 3. Rockville HT120. The Rockville HT120 horn tweeter speaker is a high-performance audio component designed to deliver exceptional sound clarity and power. Featuring a 2-inch voice coil and a titanium diaphragm, this tweeter is pre-installed in a durable aluminum horn horn that enhances its high-frequency response. With a maximum power handling of 360 watts and a continuous RMS power rating of 120 watts, it provides clear and loud highs, making it ideal for both car audio systems and professional audio setups. The tweeter has a sensitivity of 105 decibels, ensuring efficient sound production. It also includes a high-temperature die-cast Captain voice coil and ferrofluid cooling for improved thermal management. The frequency response ranges from 800 Hz to 20 kHz, and it is recommended to use a crossover to manage frequencies below 1500 Hz to 3000 Hz. The metal horn's construction prevents unwanted vibrations and resonances, ensuring stable performance even over rough terrain. The compact design features a shallow mounting depth, making it a versatile choice for various installations. The Rockville HT120 provides a robust and reliable option for achieving powerful and precise sound reproduction. Number 2, PRV Audio WG2500 Ti. The PRV Audio WG2500 Ti horn tweeter speaker is a high-performance audio component designed for enthusiasts who demand superior sound quality and output. This model features a titanium compression driver with a 2-inch exit and a 2.5-inch voice coil, delivering precise sound reproduction up to 17 kHz. Its titanium diaphragm, supported by a Captain former, ensures a durable yet lightweight design, ideal for high SPL sound pressure level applications. With a nominal impedance of 8 ohms and capable of handling up to 200 watts of continuous power, this tweeter is perfect for extreme car audio setups. It offers exceptional efficiency with a sensitivity of 107 decibels at 2.83 volts and includes a high-pass crossover recommendation at 1700 Hz to optimize power handling. The 2.5-inch voice coil is constructed from CCAW, copper-clad aluminum wire, and is cooled by a ferrite magnet with a flux density of 21.1 Tesla. The WG2500 Ti is well suited for front mounting in high-output systems, making installation straightforward without detaching the driver from the horn. This tweeter combines high durability with superior sound clarity, making it a top choice for competitive car audio enthusiasts seeking intense and accurate sound performance. Number 1, Timpano TPT-DH2000. The Timpano TPT-DH2000 horn tweeter speaker is a powerful component designed for high-fidelity audio performance. This speaker features a 2-inch exit titanium compression driver paired with a slim horn, delivering impressive sound clarity and sensitivity. With a maximum power handling of 450 watts and a sensitivity rating of 109 decibels, it excels in mid-high vocal reproduction, ensuring clear and detailed sound. The titanium diaphragm and 2-inch voice coil contribute to its high performance, while the slim horn design allows for easy front mounting, making it suitable for various installation setups, including car doors. The TPT-DH2000 covers a frequency range from 1000 to 20,000 Hz, making it versatile for different audio needs. It requires a high-pass filter to optimize performance, with recommended settings depending on amplifier power. Its compact dimensions, with a mounting depth of 5.08 inches and an overall size of 6.25 by 6.25 by 5.39 inches, make it a practical choice for those seeking a robust and clear high-frequency audio solution. The Timpano TPT-DH2000 combines durability and superior sound quality, making it a great addition to any high-end audio system. So that's it for the best compression drivers for car audio of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.